Alright, scooter enthusiasts, ever noticed a mysterious puddle of oil forming beneath your trusty ride? Oh, that's a sign something's not quite right. Don't panic, though. Let's dive into why your scooter might be leaking oil and, more importantly, how to fix it. We'll explore the most common culprits and what you can do about them. Ready? First things first, why is this happening? Oil leaks can spring from a few common culprits. The good news? They're usually fixable, without needing a degree in rocket science. We're talking basic mechanical know-how here, folks. Let's look at the top 3 reasons, shall we? Number 1, the dreaded loose bolt or damaged seal. Your scooter is a machine, with many moving parts, all working in harmony hopefully. Over time, those bolts can loosen from vibration and seals can wear out or crack due to age and heat. The result? Oil seeping out. Imagine it like a leaky faucet, but instead of water, it's precious engine oil. This oil is critical for keeping your engine running smoothly. Check around your engine, and look for any wet spots or drips. Tightening a loose bolt might be all you need, but if the seal is the problem, you might need a replacement seal. It's usually a simple and inexpensive fix, but don't ignore it. Next up, we have a faulty oil filter. This little guy is like the gatekeeper of your engine's health, filtering out dirt, debris, and other nasty particles that can damage your engine. But if it's not seated properly, or if it's damaged, oil can leak out. A quick visual inspection is usually enough. Look for oil around the filter itself. If it's wet and oily, it's time for a change. Make sure you use the correct type of filter for your scooter model, as different engines require different filters. Replacing an oil filter is a routine maintenance task, and it's something you can often do yourself, saving you a trip to the shop. And finally, the oil drain plug. This is the plug at the bottom of your engine that you use when changing the oil. It can loosen over time, get stripped damaged threads, or develop a faulty washer. This can cause a slow, steady leak that can be frustrating. Check the plug for any signs of damage or wear. Make sure it's tightened securely, but don't over-tighten it, as that can make things worse. If the threads are stripped, you might need to replace the oil pan or, at the very least, re-tap the threads. This fix may be a little more involved, requiring some mechanical experience, but still manageable for the home mechanic with the right tools. So, there you have it, folks. 3 of the most common reasons why your scooter might be leaking oil: loose bolts and damaged seals, a faulty oil filter, and the oil drain plug. Catching these problems early can save you from a bigger headache and a more expensive repair bill down the road. Remember, regularly inspecting your scooter, checking for leaks, and performing routine maintenance can help prevent any nasty surprises. So, grab a flashlight, get down and dirty, do a quick check, and keep your scooter running smoothly. And if you're not comfortable with any of these repairs, or if the leak persists, always consult a qualified mechanic. They'll be happy to help and ensure your scooter is in tip-top shape. Stay safe and happy scootering. Now get out there and enjoy the ride.